Hello! Welcome to a second episode of Creating Graphics in Blender. In today's episode, we are making a fence that will be used in the next series. We start by adding an object, a cube, then we scale this cube on 0.4x, 0.4y, and 3z. Then we add another cube, which we scale to value of 0.2x, 6y, and 0.5z. And then we place it in position 0x, 3y, and 0z. Then we duplicate it twice and arrange it on the values. First one in 0x, 3y, 3z, and the other one on 0x, 3y, and 1.5z. Then click File and export to STL. I hope you liked this episode. You can subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment, and it will show me that you want more videos like this.